Hey guys, welcome to my channel guys. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to take off your makeup with coconut oil. Watch this video to the end so that you get to learn how to take off your makeup with coconut oil. First of all, if you are just seeing my face, please do well to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Please also thumbs up and share this video to your friends and family. Help this channel to grow, guys. And to my returning subscribers, thank you. Keep it going. Okay guys, let's get right into the video. So first of all, this is my made up face. Yes. So on the video, or one of the videos, I showed you how to make coconut oil. This is not the cold press, this is the boiled one. Yeah, is it hot pressed? Hot pressed coconut oil. There's a video, I'm going to put the link below on how to do your coconut oil at home. So this the coconut oil I'm going to be using to take off this makeup. So watch this video to learn that. Okay guys, so what I'll be doing, first of all, I'll be pouring in my coconut oil in my hand, my palms. Yes, and then I'll be rubbing it. I'll go in with my eyes first. See, I'm gentle around this eye area. If you have your lashes on, you just apply it. It's going to get rid, see, it's getting rid of the eyeshadow. Just be gentle around your eye area. See that? Can see what I'm doing. I'm not tugging at my skin, I'm just doing it in a circular motion. If you have your lashes on, you see at this point in time your lashes would have been off. You can see the makeup is going off. Coconut oil has so many benefits. It moisturizes your skin. I have a video on coconut oil, you can check it out. It doesn't only work as a makeup remover. You can see it moisturizes your skin. You see that? Very easy. Okay, I did just a little mascara, so I didn't do too much. You can see that my makeup is off. So after using your makeup, your coconut oil, massaging your face, I started with my eyes first. So after doing this, and I'm sure I've been able to loosen the makeup from my face, I'm going to be going in with white. Can see that. I'm very gentle around this eye area. You can see that. Sorry, it's a bit messy. I'm always very careful with my face. So guys, you can see that loosened all my makeup very easy. I don't need to start tugging at my face, trying to get rid of lashes, trying to clean lipstick. See, it just glides. Can see that. Clears your makeup. You don't need to start going to go buy makeup wipe. There's no need for that. If you have coconut oil, you reap the benefits in the coconut oil, and also cleaning gets rid of all your makeup, all. Even in, see that, you can see that. So this is already messy. I'm going to be going in with the second one. I'm not going to waste it. Or like makeup wipe, you might have to waste your makeup wipe, use almost 4 of your makeup wipe, but this is the best for me. I've been able to clean that area, and I'm sure there's no makeup there anymore. You can see that. See, that's just, you have to be gentle on your skin. because the eye area develops wrinkle faster than any part of the body. You can see that, guys, my makeup is off. So guys, why don't you just start using coconut oil to clean your makeup, get rid of your makeup. If I try it again, you can see this is, you can still use another wipe. See, very clean. Just the first, see that? Everything is wiped off. So guys, I hope you like this video and you've learned something. So I'm wiping off the coconut oil from my hand. So guys, please remember to subscribe for those of you that have not subscribed, and also like my content, because you hitting that like button, you're helping me, you're encouraging me. Yes, that's one way of encouraging me apart from subscribing. Please like all my videos.